wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best G.p.s backpacks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. If you prefer being able to switch between carrying your bag on your back and wheeling it along the floor, then the rolling handgunner is a good choice. It can hold up to 4 firearms, though unfortunately it's somewhat difficult to lock. It comes with 2 side pockets for magazines and a strong telescoping handle, but long-barreled handguns may not fit. At number 4, the Executive is designed for anyone who wants a little extra tech with them on the range, as it's got a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve. It also has pockets lined with a soft fabric to protect your shooting glasses and ear defenders from scratches. It includes handy ammo dump cups and useful icon labels. However, the foam rack takes up too much space. Coming in at number 3 on our list, the Tactical range is made of high-quality materials and has reinforced seams, so it should last even the most avid shooter a long time. It's got padded shoulder straps that make it comfortable to carry and includes 3 removable pistol cases. It features plenty of MOLLE webbing, a storage box for small items, and Velcro for tags or patches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for G.p.s backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're outdoors and you find yourself caught in a sudden downpour, the Sporting Clays has a waterproof pull-out cover that ensures your guns, shell boxes and the rest of your gear stay dry. It comes with side compartments for storing snap caps. It includes a removable mesh hull bag and strong and secure zippers. It's comfortable to wear. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you're looking for an easy and convenient way to transport your weapons to and from target practice, the handgunner is a great option. Its pockets have helpful labels for each type of accessory, so you know exactly where to place each item. It's a sturdy and durable build with lockable compartments and padded shoulder straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for G.p.s backpacks, or simply click beneath this video.